Before you buy TheHues, there are 7 key things you need to know. Whether you're considering it for personal use or for your business, you'll want to watch until the end to get the full picture. First, let's talk about user experience. TheHues offers an intuitive, visually driven interface that sets it apart from competitors like Adobe Color or Canva's color palette tools. With TheHues, selecting color schemes for projects becomes effortless, no steep learning curve. You can easily create custom palettes, explore trending ones, and integrate them directly into your design workflows. This is a major plus if you want something that doesn't take forever to figure out. Next thing, TheHues stands out with its AI-powered features. Unlike many other color palette generators, it offers smart suggestions based on the content you upload or the design you're working on. So, if you're working on a website design, it can suggest color schemes that match your brand's style. It's like having a design assistant that gets your aesthetic without you needing to constantly fine-tune everything. The third thing to consider is its integration capabilities. TheHues isn't a standalone tool. It integrates seamlessly with popular design software like Adobe Suite and Figma. This makes it an ideal choice for professionals who need to incorporate their color palettes directly into high-level design projects. It's something competitors can't always match without additional manual steps. The fourth thing, and this is important, is the variety of color theory resources TheHues provides. It's not just about generating color palettes, but learning why certain combinations work together. With built-in color theory guides, you can understand the psychology behind the colors you choose, making it much easier to create cohesive, brand-appropriate designs. For anyone serious about design, this educational aspect adds tremendous value. Next, let's talk about pricing. TheHues offers an excellent free trial, something not always found with other tools like ColorMind or Peloton. You can try out all the premium features without pulling out your wallet up front. For anyone unsure about committing to a subscription, this is a massive benefit. Plus, when you click the first link below, you can access the best offer and additional perks to maximize your experience. The sixth thing to keep in mind is the customization options. TheHues lets you fine-tune color palettes by adjusting shades, tones, and saturations to get your perfect match. Some competitors might offer preset palettes, but don't allow for much tweaking. TheHues, however, gives you full creative control without feeling like you're restricted to rigid options. The seventh and final point is community support. Unlike other tools where you're left navigating through endless forums, TheHues offers direct access to a community of creators. Whether you need advice on a color scheme or help troubleshooting an issue, the support system is more responsive and personalized than what you'd get from other competitors. Plus, the active community allows you to share your creations and get feedback, making the experience more collaborative. Now, if you're interested in trying out TheHues, I recommend clicking the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits you won't find elsewhere. It's a great opportunity to see if it's the right fit for you, whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced designer looking for the next best tool. Don't miss out.